Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we have an Apple CarPlay installed on the Mercedes C300 2017. So we have installed the USB here for the CarPlay, and we have also an adapter to give us the sound through the vehicle USB system. So this is an aux to USB adapter, and we can see the CarPlay all on the factory screen. We control it all from our regular knob controller, so we can go in here. We also have the voice command, so if you press, for example, on this button, Siri, send a text message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Cancel.
Okay, I won't send it.
Okay, we obviously have the home button in here, so we can go to the home. We have our Waze, we have our Google Maps. If you have an iPhone Maps, you have everything there. So pretty much any feature you have on your Apple CarPlay, you can see it on your factory screen on the Mercedes C-Class. Again, using the factory knobs, so it's easy for you to maneuver. For Apple CarPlay devices, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.